No shade at screen printers, but you're doing it wrong. Even though screen printing is the OG way to turn art into merch, there's a lot you need to get right to actually make money selling printed products. Hey, it's Leah here. And it's no secret that at Printify, we're obsessed with print on demand. But if you've ever wanted to start a screen printing business or are thinking about doing POD, then here's what you need to know so you end up printing profits instead of losses. We get it. Doing things the old-fashioned or artisanal way, like screen printing, does have a great feel to it. It can be incredibly relaxing to lose yourself in the process of inking designs by hand, but how much does it cost to start a screen printing business, and is it cheaper than POD? Lucky for you, I brought my thinking cap and my trusty calculator, who I like to call Count Calcula. Let's begin. To start screen printing, you'll need to create a stencil for your design using these materials: a silk screen, transparency paper, emulsion liquid, a squeegee, lamp, ink, and an item to print on. First, a design is printed on transparent paper, then the silk screen is coated with emulsion liquid. The printed design is placed on top of the coated screen and is exposed to light from the lamp. The light will harden the emulsion on the screen, except for the areas covered by the design. The unexposed emulsion will then get washed off, creating a stencil to deposit ink onto an item. So, minus the price of a product, so far we've spent $90 to $200 on materials to start screen printing. But heads up, even though you can technically start printing with these materials right away, many printers end up needing additional tools to make the process easier and print faster. So it's worth asking, is that how much it would cost me to start selling with print on demand? I'm glad you asked, because any excuse to keep using my trusty calculator is fine by me. Let's go, Count Calcula. Time to show the receipts. To create a design, you'll need a subscription for an editing program like Canva or Photoshop. Next, you'll need a print-on-demand platform to create, print, and ship products to customers. Since it's totally free to sign up on Printify, I'll make it easy for you. But hey, why not spend a little more money and unlock the lowest product prices on the market with Printify Premium? Choose an item from our catalog, then select a print provider to do all the hard work for you. Finally, add a design or create one using our product creator, save it, share your product, and that's it. You're all done.
Whoa, hold up there, Leah. That doesn't sound right. Are you sure about it?
Yeah, you only pay for the product after you make the sale. You take the money from your customer, pay for the product and shipping, and you keep the profits.
But what if I want to pay for it myself?
Well, you could, and it might be relaxing, but that's gonna cost you $200, plus the product, plus shipping.
Maybe I should give this print-on-demand thing a try.
See? In case you still feel like being hands-on is the best way to start your own business, that's totally fine. But before you order all your materials, ask yourself one final question. Do I want to use this business to become my own boss full-time? Because even with print on demand, there are costs to growing your business, like platform costs to list items on marketplaces or create your own store, marketing costs like paying for ads, professional product photos, or personal branding, service costs such as using paid tools to manage orders, assist customers, or offer giveaways. Now, of course, you'll pay all this for screen printing too, but here's what you'll also have to pay for: inventory. To make more money, you'll need to buy more products up front and store them until they sell. Supplies, consistently purchasing more ink and materials to keep printing. And extra machinery, like industrial-grade printers to take on larger commercial orders. Let's face it, it does take money to make money when growing a business. But simply put, printing your own products means paying a lot more in the future. Have an idea for a design you're sure would blow up online? Instead of turning it into a meme, put it on a product and make some money instead. And to easily learn how to create a design, check out one of the easiest tools ever.